We are collecting. We are already collecting for Wednesday, Tina. You see the way we're so serious. This is us collecting for Wednesday.
We collect ngani? Collect ngani?
Where's Shayla nalogo when it tops? You want them to mute you?
Mara kutoka ngasatholakala.
Oh, who saw? Moderators are flying, eh? What are they doing and what are you guys busy with? Sometimes in life, you just gotta say, oh, well, and move on. Don't unmute here. Akashonguti, you must unmute here. Uzosho kanjani? Thank you, Amu blessing.
Yebo makhosazana. Out of the house.
Generally, thank you for the rose, okay?
Woke ukala resort.
Thank you, General. Guys, we have times to shame. Even if tops how many games are you playing? We are just trying to save Pam's fragment. I don't know. Kamu said he's done. Gave up already.
Iyakhuphuka. Uhamba ngiyabona manje ngisho sehamba ku diving wheel.
Thank you, Yonela. We're gonna play until 12. 12. Chai. I need Future City, then we'll see. Yo, Oyame. A baby Leon. I should be on a baby Leon. It's 3.8k. A baby Leon is like 4.9 but. The Future City is like 6k. A baby Leon. But if it doesn't happen, that's so sad. Bummer. That's gonna be very sad. It's gonna be very hard to gain a fragment in A1. Unmuted. You know, this.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa uzo sniper, guys, snipe. Uzo sniper konnichiwa man. Eish.
Yazi wena ucabanga bani?
Ngicabanga umongameli.
Hayi, ngiyafela bekazosniper kusumongameli.
Hey, umongameli bekazo snipe.
Vele.
Danko lapho, danko. Ama-mister mangaka. Yo. Thank you, DJ Star. Eish, DJ Star, shame.
Hayi, shuthi kahle kulama game enebedlala ngawo. Ngifaka ama-mist we-game yonke. Ababoni.
Really, Ngqongqo. Thank you. Guys, we have triple shame.
Uzala ama-game engaki? Uzala ama-game engaki?
Wednesday. It's 4 people, 2 strike each elimination.
Hlohlela nama.
Thank you, Yonela. Eish, Majali. Ngathathe ku-Tobs angeke. Thank you. Tobs, yekele umntwana. Yekele umntwana. Aniphuca umshenga amaphazi ngibona ingozi. It's not easy. Dichabeng.
Iseshabeni.
Ba ba ba. Ba mama. If I can take one future city from the future cities that Dr. P sent me the other day, just send it now. I'm telling you, a lot can happen.
Salibona. Kapra.
This, hey, we are just endle at this point.
Salibona now. Uzani vele manje? Khalele uzani.
Two. So lambelo glamb. Can we have 2 roses from 2 people, guys?